How to use AI manga filter on TikTok. So hi there guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our TikTok application here in our mobile device. After which, all we need to do next is to simply go to the upper right hand corner and click on the search button. So when we click on the search button, the next thing that we are going to do is to simply type in AI manga filter here in the search bar. So once you have entered AI manga filter, you will actually see videos that has the effect. So simply go to a video. So say for example, let's have this video. As you can see, we have the filter here. Click on the filter and after which click on use this effect below. Now when you use this effect, you need to tap on the screen and you just need to wait for it. So there you have it. We have successfully used AI manga filter on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.